and his integrity, do you think he can join forces with Ihediohia to unseat APC in Imo State?
God bless you, my dear beloved. There is something I said the last time we met. I said, financial ability, if I have it, to compete with the whole Uzodinma in Imo State. Beside, I repeat, beside rigging, beside corruption, I will defeat Hope Uzodinma.
Why?
I will win Hope Uzodinma because Hope Uzodinma is not the choice of the people. With his present governance has shown to the people of the Imo State that is not the good leader that they need. So Ihediohia and what is it called? Obi, glory be to God. Peterobi, the labor man who won the 2023 election and was denied presidentially due to the corruption. Allegedly, whichever language English you like to use. But you know the fact that is the truth. Even Mr. President said it. He confessed it that he knew that the Nigerians did not vote for him. So in other words, he didn't win election.
Did he say that?
But he's there.
When did you say it? When did you say
he's there. You can pass through backyard. You can pass through backyard. So far Nigeria is concerned, you can use through window. Door is no longer necessary. It's no longer useful. You pass through window, you pass backyard and become president. It's allowed in Nigeria. If that can be taken away in Imo State, I still repeat, I will win Hope Uzodinma. So Ihediohia and Obi is a straight ticket if they want to unseat APC in Imo State. Listen to me, APC is a havoc. They are havoc party, not just to Imo State, but to Nigeria as a whole. Go and check it. Starting from 2015 till date, Nigeria has been suffering, sweating. Nigeria has been purging. Nigeria has been purging and backward. Nigeria is not moving forward. No new thing. Nothing so a kind of exciting, no excitement, no positivity, no productivity. No positivity, no productivity. Everything is negative. Everything is what? Negative. Because their ways is always negative. Because they always pass through window and backyard. They never pass through the door. Illegal. So they use that mindset of which they enter to do whatsoever they want to do in the government, in the office. Okay, look at the way. See, hunger. Look at Nigeria, hungry, crying. A whole Nigeria crying for hungry. Whereas God has blessed Nigeria with so many amenities.
The giant of Africa.
That is what you think. The giant of Africa, the ECOWAS president, attended South Africa this and they placed him at the third seat. Giant of African president, he traveled to France and the video, the camera captured where he was sleeping. No. Giant of Africa, president of ECOWAS, sleeping on a duty. What a mess. That is to show you that Nigeria is sleeping. That is what it indicates. Nigeria is sleeping. Nigeria doesn't have anything to show. And in South Africa, where he went, what happened? The third back seat. That is to tell you Nigeria come from front. They are now backward. That is what it means. Other nations have taken over Nigeria. That is simply what it means. When ECOWAS #1, they gave him back seat. It means that the country is at the back. They are not in the front. That is a simple meaning. That is a simple ideology and analysis. And that is the way South Africa see Nigeria. Are you getting it? And true, Nigeria is going backward. They are not moving forward. They are going backward in every area, both in thinking, mentally, both in action, both in their action. Nigeria, I'm talking about, both in their action is backward. They are not moving forward. They need somebody that can think fast, somebody that can act good, somebody that can reason with what is already on earth at stake, to reason and strategize on how to come about it and go about it for things to work out. Or else, like I said it before, Nigeria is already inside well. You remember water dry. That the water that is inside the well, let it dry. Once it dry, everything is finished. Support the law. Yeah, support the law. That's what it remains for this country called Nigeria. Are you hearing me? So, Ihediohia, Obi is a good. See, go and check the era of Obi in Anambra State. Look at his credentials. Then check the era of a year plus of Ihediohia in the office in Imo State under PDP. Then use it to compare APC 8 going to 5 years now, or almost 8 years now. Check it. Is Imo State progressing, or are they going backward? Imo State is going backward. They are not progressing. So with this and this intake of man, you will agree with me that the best option is to liquidate. I use the word to liquidate APC.
So Uzodinma, is he not doing what he's supposed to do as the governor of Imo State?
Okay. How do you mean? Is he not doing? A question. Is he not doing? Doing in terms of killing, kidnapping, sending the Fulanis to come and kill their women, rape the girls, kill the farmers, occupy their farmland? Is that progress? Is that what you see as a progress? Then tell me what good has Uzodinma done in Imo State? Nothing to reckon with. The only good I know, he formed a bubago, he financed a bubago, he now used politically to brainwash them and use them against the innocent citizen of Imo State. That is what he has succeeded in achieving, and that is own progress. Killing the people that is supposed to stand and protect. That is an achievement for them. APC, the bad party and with a bad government. We don't need them. We need to scrap them out of the planet Earth. Scrap them. They are not good. They don't want it.
Do you think Atiku is right is what he's saying?
I think we should shut up. That's it. I'm not in support of Tinubu, but everybody shut up. Because even if Atiku is there, he will do the same. So he should shut up. I don't want to be listening to all these people that are not relevant to Nigerian politics. Atiku is not relevant to Nigerian politics. What does he know that he's saying? He should shut up. If he's there too, he will do the same thing. Is it because we did not vote him? So why is he not making statement? Why is he not talking? Why is he trying to draw with the masses against Tinubu? I'm not a fan of Tinubu. I've always been against the man. But in this case, I will tell Atiku to shut up. Tinubu is just there. We know he's not doing anything. Who are you, Atiku, to remind us that Tinubu is trying to make Nigeria look like Lagos State? Oh, you are just realizing it now. When we were shouting it when he was in Lagos State, that he was controlling Lagos, Atiku did not talk that time. Then why are you now to talk? Are you mad? Please, stop it, please. Sorry to use that language, please. You know I'm hungry. I don't like it when I'm angry. Please, Atiku, stop it.
Is it that you don't trust Atiku?
No, he should not remind Nigeria. He's trying to remind us of, we know what Tinubu is doing already. So we should not hear it for somebody like Atiku. Because if he's there, he also is a criminal. He will sell Nigeria. Atiku will sell Nigeria. He will sell Nigeria. So why is he talking? The people that are supposed to be talking are not talking. Why are we hearing all these things from Atiku? Imagine Atiku or 4 people making rubbish statements. It's unheard of. Please. let's just forget about the statement that Atiku is making. On Tinubu is not doing well.
But I'm not sure that if Atiku was the president, I'm not sure Atiku maybe things would have been slightly better than now.
Atiku would have sold Nigeria to Dubai. That's the truth. If he were to be the president, I'm saying it confidently. Atiku cannot do any better thing for Nigeria. He would have sold this country. A man who is more richer than your president, Obasanjo, as vice, richer than Obasanjo, a criminal, a real criminal, and you are saying that one should come and ruin Nigeria. We know Tinubu is a criminal, but Tinubu is a junior criminal. We know we have senior criminal. Atiku is a senior criminal. Tinubu is a junior criminal. So Tinubu is learning work from Atiku. That's the truth. So where is Atiku to talk? Because he's, the person as a president is a junior criminal. So that one is learning work from him, Atiku. So who is in there to talk? To remind us that Tinubu wants to turn Nigeria to Lagos. What's your business about it? We are the Nigerians. So shut up. Go to your Dubai and rest there. After all, you don't belong to Nigeria. All your investment is in Dubai. So why are you talking? You want to govern Nigeria? You want to govern Nigeria for Dubai or what? Atiku don't provoke me this morning. Because even if I want to hear every other people's statement, not Atiku, not someone like Atiku, what does he have that I want to give Nigeria? What is it I want to give to us? Why must we listen to Atiku? Why in the first place must Nigeria listen to him? This is my anger. Not when I'm talking to somebody.
Is it because Atiku don't have anything to prove?
He doesn't have anything. Even if he's there, he would do worse than Tinubu. Tinubu is even... Tinubu, let me tell you, what is disturbing Tinubu? I know it. Tinubu is an illiterate. That's the truth. That is what is disturbing Tinubu. I swear to God, that is what is disturbing him. He's just an illiterate. Start illiterate. He did not go to school. That is why he doesn't know where to start from.
But they say he developed Lagos.
Which Lagos did he develop? Let me tell you what happened. Tinubu was not too smart. When he wanted to come into governance, when he wanted to come in as a president, this person told him to remove fuel subsidy. He wanted to dance to the tune of the general. That was what affected him. He wanted to dance to the tune of the general. He wanted to dance to the tune of Buhari so that they would say he respected the military officer. But he never knew that that one is pushing him to fire. That was what happened. So he has removed the subsidy. Now the outcome of the subsidy is what he's saying now. So he cannot control it again. That is where education comes in. Because he's not educated. Tinubu is not educated. Listen, let me tell you Nigerians. Every Nigerians, tell me 80% of Nigerians will believe what I'm telling them. Because 20% will just there. And what is he saying? Shut up and you are dying. The idiot is dying in his house. He's saying, why is this man facing Tinubu? But the idiot is dying in his house. He cannot even feed his own family. 3 square meal. He cannot. And yet he's dying. And yet he's telling me, what is this man saying? Shut up.
Wait, Atiku said, Tinubu created, a company called Alphabeta, which manage the taxation of Lagos State, and also Premier. But do you not think Atiku is right as regards this?
Yes, Atiku, are you aware that even Tinubu used to refine our oil in his own refinery? Are you aware of that? That's the truth. He will carry our oil to his refinery. All this bunch of criminals that they called, what is it called? See, I tell people sometimes when I talk, I don't address my president as a president. I talk to him like a normal human being because he doesn't deserve it. When you deserve to be called a president, I must see that thing in you that shows that you deserve it. MC Grammar does not give respect ordinary to anybody unless you deserve the respect. And that is why I am. People keep saying a lot of things. The other day, my phone rang. One idiot called me, said he's a military officer, and he was blasting me that they are going to do. I said, shut up. I am more than Nigeria. Please listen to me. I'm from around this world. In case you don't know, go and investigate where they call around this world. So please, let me make my statement. I am angry. I'm a Nigerian that is angry with bitterly, virtually everything that in Nigeria. I'm bitter about it. And so I need to voice out. And nobody can hold my lips. The problem, even you press and everybody face, is that when somebody is trying to tell you the truth, you don't want it when the person speaks the truth. All of you are afraid. I don't want them to block my line. Who will block your line?
You're not discussion what the way you
Yes,
say
you're right. You're right.
Okay, and yesterday there was a breaking news that the international passport has been increased for the 32 page has been increased from 35k to 50k, and from the 64 pages was increased from 70k to 100k. But Nigerians have come and said that Tinubu government is really making Nigerians as regards this every day, increment from food items to security to to food to water, that this is becoming unbearable. What can you say to this as regards the increment?
All right, I want to say something tonight. I think an increment. This is not the first time we're hearing it. You are just saying passport is still going to 200,000. Yes, passport is going to 200,000. Oh, you just said some from 50 to that one is just small. We are going to 200,000.
Are you saying
yes,
cheap?
This is Nigeria. We are still going to 200,000. So anything can happen in Nigeria. So it's not just a clip from 50,000. You are shouting. Oh, you are so obtaining for passport 50,000. You are complaining. Well, one bag of rice is about 70, 80, and you are talking about passport, international one, that you go to somebody's country. They are selling 50,000. You are complaining. My brother is still going 200,000.
But does it make sense? The minimum wage is 75,000, and we are doing passport. We are doing a 32-page passport for 50,000. Is that not?
See, I don't understand your question. Say the minimum wage. Does government understand what is minimum wage in this aspect? Who is even talking about minimum wage? Do your government understand what we talk about when they say minimum wage? See, let me tell you the truth. I am very angry in this country, but left to somebody like me, I keep saying it, that the only thing that is spoiling this country are our religious leaders. Our religious leaders, they are the one. I don't even blame these politicians. Let me tell you, the politicians wouldn't have achieved what they achieved without the religious leaders. I will tell you why. They will go to religious leaders. Your pastor will come and preach and tell you, cool down, things are going to be all right. It is, they have given them money. Then Imam will come and talk rubbish too. They have given them money. But assuming Nigeria is not a country with Christianity or Muslim, we go down kill somebody for this country. But because Christians will come pacify you, Muslims will come pacify you. Now, if you want to act, you cannot act. That is why someone like me, I'm not a Christian or a Muslim. I hate it. I hate religion and I dislike it. It doesn't help anybody's future. Look go to China. They don't have religion, they're making it. Go to India, they don't have religion. But you have religion, you are suffering. You people are cowards. That's what it means. You people are cowards. Because if a country like India, who doesn't have religion, is treating you medically, medically treating you, treating you medically. The people you say they are idol worshippers, they are the one treating you medically, collecting your money to better their own economy. China producing everything. I want you to church in here, producing everything, then bettering their own economy. But you that you are going to church and mosque, you are dying in poverty. That's the truth. I don't pray for what befalls Nigeria to befall me, because what befell Nigeria is what I call because over here we don't investigate, we just enter religion without thinking. Everybody cover their brain. Hey, pastor is there making his money, and they go and only making their money.
Okay, so do you think the price for the passport now?
Let me say something. I know, my brother, you that you're watching me, you are hungry the way I'm talking, because I'm facing religious fathers, I'm facing religious people, and that's the truth. That's the truth.
Okay. But do you think the price for the passport? Do you think Tinubu government now should reconsider, bringing the price down at least, or because they said it will take effect from 10 days from now? Do you not think at least they should be, it should take effect from January 1st of next year, 2025?
Okay, let me tell you what is going to happen. What I expect Tinubu to do. Tell somebody to bring it fair. See, subsidy, that subsidy matter. That is just the only thing to kill all this rubbish that is happening in Nigeria. That subsidy matter, leave it the way it is before. That is the only thing that can control the prices of goods and services increasing here and there. Leave that subsidy like that. The subsidy has been in existence before your arrival. He has been there before your existence. He has been there before you were even born. Ah, kí ló dé?